Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to display. Right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change display brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, you can manage lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, skip lock screen, add users from lock screen, add text on lock screen, enable or disable show wallet, show device controls and wake screen for notification. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes or never. Also, we can enable or disable screen attention function. Next, you can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Then we can change font size, display size, enable or disable eye comfort mode, adjust it and schedule it. Then we can change colors and contrast between automatic contrast, increased contrast, standard. And then we can change colors of the display. Next, you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, set screensaver, and select when to start. In the end, you can enable or disable backlight power saving function. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.